Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a new email address on PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn up to $100 when you refer your friends to join PayPal. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a gear icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the gear icon. On this page, you will see a section for emails. Beside it is an option that says Add New. Click on Add New. On the field provided, enter the new email address you wish to add. Then click on the Add button. Lastly, a confirmation email will be sent to the new email address you provided. Check on it, then follow the on-screen instructions on how to confirm your email. That's how you add a new email address on PayPal. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.